Hey everyone, I'm Sharon Tankard from Tailored Artworks. Today I'm going to explain to you how my invention, Artful Signage, works for people living with dementia to wayfind their way to the toilet or their bathroom, the laundry, outside, whatever, in NDIS homes or in residential aged care. So the first thing you'll notice is that the signs are round and they have little shiny bits that just catch the eye in a really nice way. Why are they round, you might ask? Well, if you look around my home or any home, you'll notice that it is made up of vertical and horizontal lines as a framework for our architecture. And that wherever we have a circle, let's go back, the circle's here, it catches the eye. Or in this instance, we've got the circle and the circles. They catch the eye, a bit like targets or bullseyes, right? And so when we are talking about signage, we want it to catch the eye, don't we? Next, we have frames, the round shapes and the frames. And I've done a modern timber look, or a lovely antique look in a pewter brown colour, a silver and a gold. And this is so that they match with any style of decor. Next we have art in the background. So I've got our floral for cleaning, our beautiful waterfall for bathroom, lovely smoky barbecue scene here. And this is to create sensory engagement. After all, art is the expression of culture and architecture, and it's far more warming in a space than what photography or vector graphics are. Art also delivers textures, and it allows us to have very contrasting colors and to be expressive in a way that photography cannot, because photography is a replication of nature. Next, we have our icons, which are purposefully a little bit comical. They're also focusing on white so that they contrast clearly against their backgrounds. So you can see our rubber ducky here, very cute, clearly contrasting against the background of the waterfall. And again, our nice quirky sausage. So these aren't designed to look like your standard hospital style sign, because we have enough institutional style design out there, and what we're wanting to do both in the home or in residential aged care is to make them more home-like. Next on Artful Signage, there is a single word, for instance cleaning, as you can see contrasting against the background, and in a serifed font as opposed to a sans serif font. A sans serif font doesn't have these little feet. Serif fonts help guide the eye along the word like following railway tracks, and in this way they are better for people with cognitive impairment. So there you have it, Artful Signs. Now, if we look at our toilet sign, we have them in perspex, which come ready to hang with these two little holes. So you can put those up on the wall. They are stiff and fully washable, and these are made to last. They're ideal for a door that perhaps has uneven surfaces, like the architrave around this door here, right? Alternatively, we have our Artful Signage on film. So these are a self-adhesive film that are very easily placed and moved. See how I'm moving that? Right, so it's repositionable. When you're happy with it, we want them down a little bit lower, especially for aged care. You can put them on, push it on, and then at any time, peel it off again, reposition it again, right? So these are great for in NDIS homes, rental homes, where you may have to move at some stage and you're not allowed to damage the walls. So there you have it. One lovely, eye-catching, classy, visually sensory engaging sign for cognitive impairment by yours truly, Sharon Tancred from Tailored Artworks. See ya.